dinner time now, and it seems that after all that lovely sunshine, things aren't looking so good.
Louise joins us, so there's a weather warning coming our way. Tell me that's not true.
It's true. It comes into force at 2 o'clock tomorrow morning, stays with us right through until 9 o'clock tomorrow night. We can expect some very heavy and persistent showers of rain to push through, mostly affecting eastern areas of Northern Ireland. The rain should move through fairly quickly tomorrow, but we could see some surface water on the roads, the possibility of some flooding in places, but due to the largely dry and settled weather we have had recently, hopefully there won't be too many impacts from that. Now we have a slightly more settled day on Thursday. Showers never too far away though. Then we see the return of some very heavy and persistent rain once again on Good Friday and into Saturday. So if you have any outdoor plans for Easter, any Easter egg hunts, you may possibly need to bring your waterproofs with you. Here's the forecast. So as you've been hearing, we have quite an unsettled period of weather on the way over the next couple of days. We have a yellow warning for rain coming into force overnight tonight. 50 to 60 millimetres of rainfall possible over the highest ground, 20 to 30 millimetres to lower levels as well. So we could have some surface water on the roads through tomorrow. So if you are travelling early, please do take care. Low pressure is the dominant feature this week. We have a number of frontal systems pushing in from the Atlantic with a low pressure system pushing up from the south. That's what's going to bring us the heavy rain through this evening and tonight, but we do have slightly drier, clearer conditions through Thursday before further outbreaks of rain on Friday. Clouding over this evening, the winds will start to pick up around the coast, gusting at 40 miles per hour. We have that band of rain pushing up from the southeast, some heavy persistent bursts in the mix there as we move through the overnight period. Temperatures holding up between 5 and 7 degrees Celsius. That rain will continue to track in tomorrow morning. There is a risk of some sleet and snow falling over the tops of the Sperrins and the Mourns. It's quite a damp, miserable day tomorrow. Quite a lot of cloud around too. Breezy, especially around coastal areas with highs of 9, possibly 10 degrees Celsius. Feeling quite cool and chilly if you're intending on heading out. Across the rest of Ireland, it's a drier, brighter start across the southwest. Thicker cloud across the east with rain pushing through. Becoming drier into the afternoon though. Temperatures reaching highs around 14 degrees Celsius with a freshening breeze around the coasts. Thursday looks like a drier, brighter day. We always have the risk of 1 or 2 isolated showers in places. Then we see a change coming our way through Friday. Again, some heavy, persistent bursts of rain into Saturday as well. And temperatures down a few degrees, back down to around average for this time of year. Hello there. Good morning. A cloudy and damp start for some this morning. We have further outbreaks of rain feeding through as we move through the day. It's quite a windy day. Winds picking up, gusting 45 to 50 miles per hour inland with very limited bright and sunny breaks. Temperatures today struggling to highs of 10 or 11 degrees Celsius, feeling quite cool. Hello there, good evening. We have some wet and windy weather coming our way through tomorrow. We have a yellow warning for heavy rain in place until midday tomorrow. We can expect some heavy bursts to develop through this evening and in the overnight period. Low pressure is the dominant feature this week. We have a number of fronts pushing in from the west and pushing up from the south, bringing heavy rain overnight tonight. Showery conditions through tomorrow, but Thursday looks like a drier day with a few isolated showers in places and some sunny spells. But tonight across the southwest, we could have a few thundery downpours with some heavy bursts of rain. This should clear through fairly quickly. Drizzly outbreaks of rain will follow behind. It's quite a murky night, quite a lot of low cloud, mist and murk over the tops of the Pennines, but it should stay relatively mild. Temperatures holding up between 5 and 8 degrees Celsius. The breeze will start to pick up as we move through towards dawn, and it's a windy day tomorrow. Winds gusting 45 to 50 miles per hour inland. We could have a few showery outbreaks of rain to start the day, following into the afternoon, some heavier bursts, but we do have a few bright and sunny spells in between those showers. But again, winds the main feature with a top temperature of 10 or 11 degrees Celsius. Looking ahead to Thursday, it is an improving picture, bright and sunny spells for most, but a few showery outbreaks of rain always possible. Winds becoming much lighter than tomorrow with a top temperature of 12 to 14 degrees Celsius. Looking ahead then towards Friday, we can expect further outbreaks of rain to push through and into Saturday as well. Temperatures slowly creeping back up there, highs of 14 degrees Celsius in places with a few mild nights in the forecast too. That's very latest. Bye-bye for now.